Hello, everybody. My name is Jordan Cross. I am a PhD student in the Lyle School of Civil Engineering, and I will talk to you today about forming a committee. So, what is your graduate committee? So, according to Purdue University College of Engineering, the duties of your graduate advisory committee are to assist you in preparing your plan of study and to offer advice or expertise during your graduate work, including research and thesis preparation. So what this means is that this is a group of 3 or 4 individuals, depending on if you are doing a thesis or a dissertation, that will help you guide you in research specific areas or professional specific areas or academic specific areas that will usually read your thesis or dissertation, give you feedback, help you along the way, plan your methods, things of this nature. So what should we be looking for in a committee member? Approachability. You do want somebody that you are comfortable asking questions to. Trustworthiness. This person, of course, will know a lot of your data. You want to make sure that they have your best interest in mind, professionally, academically, maybe personally. Experience in the field. Of course, you want kind of somebody, this is a little bit of a position of authority as well as somebody that you'll be working closely to. So you do want the experience that they have, perhaps writing a thesis before, a dissertation, or the specific methods that you are working on in your specific research. And professionalism. You do want somebody that will work with you on these deadlines, that will appear to your meetings at a timely fashion, things of this nature, get back to you with your emails of questions and things of this nature. Where should you look for faculty members in order to go on your committee? So I think it depends on school to school, but not all of your committee members need to be faculty members specifically. But when looking for members to go on your committee, your advisors will likely already be kind of expected members of your committee. I was lucky enough to have 2 advisors, so those are already 2 individuals that I trust to go on my committee, and at the time I just needed 3 people. So looking at your course instructors, depending on what their backgrounds are, professional and academic organizations, if you are on organizations that maybe appeal to what you are working on or what you're interested in, like faculty members that are working in these organizations are probably a good place to look. Published articles in your field/areas of interest. If you have a very niche field or a very specific field, and there aren't maybe a gigantic pool of individuals to look towards, I think looking at journals and articles in your field and seeing who's published those and if those people are available is a really good place to look. Or department websites. Department websites, especially through Purdue, are a really good place to look because they usually have a pretty cohesive list of not only like articles that they've published, but projects that they're working on, their specific like hashtags for their specific areas of interest. And of course their contact information, which are all really, really good. Excuse me. I came to Purdue with a psychology background, but I came for an engineering degree. So 99% of my contacts once I got to Purdue were engineering contacts. I did want somebody on my committee that had more of the psychology background, specifically in the field that I was doing research in. So I needed to start looking outside of my bubble. I looked at all of these things. My course instructors wasn't having any luck there. Published articles wasn't necessarily having any luck there. So I went to Purdue Psychology Department website and I did a lot of networking and talked to people at professional and academic organization networking events. And there I was able to single out an individual faculty member and I had great luck ever since then. So what should you do next? Send an interest email, reach out to this faculty member or person in the industry or at another university and say what you're working on, where you are in your academic career, and what you would like from them. From there, I would schedule a meeting, whether it's Zoom or in person. Usually Zoom is a little bit more flexible, so I would suggest that. But if you want to sit down with them over a cup of coffee, I think that also works. If you are on the same page, if they're interested in being on your committee, if this is something that they're available for and you kind of like what they have to offer, you can start by filing the paperwork with the graduate school and get them on your committee, which is just one more box to check off. Or if they can't offer the time or the commitment or anything like that, you can keep looking. Not a problem at all. So some of the information I got straight from the Purdue University College of Engineering website. Specifically, this one is located in the School of Engineering Education website. They have a lot of great information about forming a graduate advisory committee. A lot of it's the technical, logistical information that I needed at one point in time. And again, my name is Jordan Cross. Thank you for your time today. Here is my email and my LinkedIn. If you have any other questions, please reach out.